Ankit Baresha? No response. Khushi Lodhi and Khushi Sharma, any one of these two. What is the formula of integrating factor? Do you remember? Khushi Lodhi and Khushi Sharma, any one of these two. Do you remember what is the formula for IF? No, I don't find any response from them. Chanchal Kumari or Ankit Baresha? Do you
E integration
Yes,
PDF.
Chanchal. Yes. IF is equal to
E integration PDX.
E raised to power integration PDX. This is the formula for IF. So let us calculate. So tell me how much is the integral of cot x, Chanchal?
Log sin x.
Log
Sin x.
sin x. Log sin x it is. And E and log are the opposite work of each other. So E raised to power log sin x will remain how much?
Sin x.
Sin x. So integrating factor is sin x. Now solution is given by Abhishek Meena. Do you remember what is the formula for the solution, final solution? Do you remember? Pratham, do you remember?
Yes, sir.
Abhishek ko pata hai. Yes, Abhishek, tell.
Sir, integration Q वो ब्रैकेट में मतलब इंटीग्रेशन फैक्टर का dx कर देंगे.
And the left side also something is written. Left side में क्या होता है?
वो by integration factor.
Y into integrating factor is equal to integral
Q इंटीग्रल फैक्टर का dx.
Yeah, और plus C भी होता है.
हाँ.
This is the formula. IF we have calculated. Put the value y sin x is equal to q. Put the value 4x cosec x. This is q into IF. IF is sin x dx plus c. Integrate कर लीजिए इसको simplify करके cosec x into sin x is 1. So this will remain y sin x equal to integral 4x dx plus c. 4x means 4 into x integral x square by 2. And here we receive our final solution. Y sin x equal to 2x square plus c. Just check this please.
सर पर्टिकुलर सॉल्यूशन निकालना है तो y और x
Okay,
की वैल्यू.
particular solution means some x and y values are given. Nutan, can you read what are the values of x and y given?
Yes sir, y equal to 0
Okay.
when x equal to pi by 4.
Pi by 4.
Pi by 2, sorry.
Pi by 2.
Yes sir.
Okay. So let us put there. So it means that 0 equals to 2 into pi square upon 4. 2 square is 4 plus c. C equal to minus pi square by 2. So y sin x equal to 2x square minus pi square by 2. This is the solution. Okay. So this is the question. 13th complete here was based on linear differential equation method. P is y multiplier, Q is the right hand side term, integrating factor we found, solution we wrote by the formula, integrated, got the value of C, simple. This is very, very simple work. Aditi Tomar, will you read the next question? Aditi Tomar, if you are listening me. No, I can't see Aditi Tomar responding. I think she is not there. Dakshita Suwalka.
Sir, I'm there.
Aditi, are you writing? Are you getting these things? Questions solved किया तुमने? Okay. Can you read the next question, 14th? Aditi. Aditi, I think there is no response. You are not ready. Aman Singh and Ankit Singh. Any one of these two? Aman and Ankit, will you read the next question, 14th?
Yes, sir.
Please. Ankit,
Yes, sir.
Please read.
In the particular solution of the differential
14th question.
x plus. Yes, sir.
Please read.
Find a particular solution of the differential equation x plus 1
X plus
1 x plus 1 dy by dx
x plus 1 dy by dx
is equal to 2e 2e minus y minus 1.
I've written correct. Check.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ब्रैकेट भी होगा ना कहीं पर, ये dy upon dx और x plus 1.
सर x plus 1 ब्रैकेट में है.
हाँ, right. Let me read. Is this proper? Find a particular solution of the differential equation x plus 1 into dy upon dx equal to 2 e raised to power minus y minus 1. Given that y equal, this also was given in this क्या कहते हैं extra information. What is given? Y equal to 0, x equal to 0. Is this?
Yes sir.
अंकित चौहान, यार इतना टाइम क्यों? पूरा सेंटेंस पढ़ना चाहिए था ना. ठीक है, अब इसको हम कैसे सॉल्व करें? अंकित चौहान, कोई suggestion how to do it? We have discussed 3 methods to solve differential equation: separation of variables, then homogeneous, then linear. So suggest.
So separating the variables.
क्या बोलो? I didn't hear. Yes अंकित, हाँ क्या कह रहे? Separation. Can we separate the variables, students, here?
Separating the variables.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
We can separate the variables.
Yes, sir.
You
Yes,
can
sir.
see dy, let us keep
Yes,
here
sir.
only, and this term let us bring in left side. It will become like this, and this dx and x plus 1 let us shift on the right hand side. So dx will reach here, x plus 1 will come in upon, equal to integral sign both the sides plus 6. Now tell me how much will be 1 upon x plus 1 integral? Very simple it is.
Log
How
x
much it will
plus
be?
1.
Anyone should switch off the mic and switch on the mic and tell.
Log x plus 1.
Log
Log
x plus 1. Very good. Plus c. And for the left hand side, can you tell me what should I do?
dy upon 2 upon ey.
Yes,
Plus 1.
yes. इसमें हम क्या करें? e to power y से up and down multiply करा दीजिए. E to power y multiplied in numerator and in denominator also e to power y multiplied. Now you in denominator you multiply fully. This will become e to power y dy, and if you open the bracket it will be 2 e to power y minus y, e to power 0 is 1, so 2 only will remain, minus e to power y equal to log x plus 1 plus c. Now for this, what should be the integral? How to integrate it?
e की पावर y को t ले लेंगे.
Yes, e to power y को t ले लेंगे. वैसे कर लो, या फिर आप f dash upon f integral का form is this f dash upon f. What should be the derivative of denominator? What should be the derivative of denominator? ये e है ना? What should be the derivative of denominator, students?
Minus
if you tell-
ey. Minus ey.
Minus e to power y is the derivative of denominator. न्यूमरेटर में तो बस e to power y है, माइनस नहीं है, तो माइनस क्रिएट कर लीजिए. एक यहाँ पे माइनस रख दिया और एक यहाँ पे. अब डेरिवेटिव ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर न्यूमरेटर में प्रेजेंट है, तो ये f डैश अपॉन f फॉर्म है, तो log ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर इसका इंटीग्रल हो जाएगा. ये माइनस एज इट इज और log ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर इसका इंटीग्रल हो गया. Okay, now I am given that y equal to 0 and x equal to 0. Let us put it. Let us substitute in this. So putting y equal to 0 and x equal to 0. So this will give you minus log 2 minus e to power 0 equal to log 0 plus 1 plus c minus log 2, e to power 0 is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, minus log 1 equal to log 1 plus c, log 1 is 0, c equal to 0. So minus log e to 2 minus e to power y is equal to log x plus 1. This minus we can bring in power. So log 1 upon 2 minus e to power y equal to log x plus 1. Then both sides log can be removed and you will get 1 upon 2 minus e to power y equal to x plus 1. Check the answer. They have given this answer or any simplification they have done. Check, students. Students, check and tell. Any simplification is done? Adil, tell. So if I simplify, either this answer will be given or any simplification if you do, it will be like this.
Yes, sir. I will take.
Adil, are you listening?
Yes, sir.
LCM अगर मैं ले लूं तो 2x plus 2 minus 1 upon x plus 1 will be e to power y, and e to power y means y will be log of this much, whatever it comes, 2x plus 1 whole upon x plus 1. Check, students, is this the answer?
Yes, sir.
Correct है ये? इन्होंने किस तरह से आंसर दिया है? This answer is there or this?
ऊपर वाला.
ऊपर वाला. ओके. तो मतलब हमने सिंप्लीफाई करके y की वैल्यू निकाल दें तो बेस्ट है. ज्यादातर आंसर्स इस तरह से दिए हैं, तो हम इस बात को कोशिश करेंगे, ट्राई करेंगे करने की, है ना? So all the students, please complete. This was question number 14th, and this we have completed and solved by variable separation method. Please do it and get ready for 15th question. Harsh Jain, are you listening me? Will you read the next 15th question? Harsh Jain? I don't think Harsh Jain is active. Divyansh Kumar? Harsh Jain, he's there. Harsh?
Yes,
Can you yes. Harsh, ये क्वेश्चन लिख रहे हो ना? ये लिखा क्वेश्चन समझ में आया? Can you read?
Population of a village increases continuously.
Yes.
The proportional number of its inhabitants present at any time. If the population of the village was 20,000 in 1999 and 25,000 in the year 2004, that what will be the population of the village in 2009?
Okay, so in 15th question, some population in 2 years it is given, and they are asking. 1 minute, let me write the data. 1 minute, then read again. Hai na? 1 minute, let me clear, then I will write the data from the question. तो कुछ population की बात हो रही है 15th question में. Yes, Harsh Jain, can you read again that question? बोलिए.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
The population of a village increases continuously at the rate proportional to the number
Yes.
of its inhabitants present at any time.
Yes, 1 minute. It
If
is
the
1 minute. It is given that population of a village increases continuously at the rate proportional to the number of its inhabitants present at any time. Let population, let number of people present is n. Then rate of increase of population, dn upon dt. You know, read the line carefully. It is written, the population of a village increases continuously at the rate proportional to the number of inhabitants, means people present at a time. So rate of increase will be dn upon dt is proportional to what? Proportional to the number present. Number present is how much? N. And this is the meaning of first line. So students, do you know, if I have to convert it in equation, if I want to bring equal to, what will be written? You know, students? Yes, Harshjan, do you know if I want to write equal to sign, what should I do?
If the population of the village 20,000 in 1999 and 25,000 in the year 2004.
1 minute. 1 minute. So we will write k into some n, where k will be a constant. This is the way how to remove proportional sign and bring equal to sign. Now, the next line is given that in the year 1999, how much was n?
20,000.
20,000. And in next, how much year? Which year? 2004.
2004. 25,000.
25,000.
What will be the population of the village in 2009?
What will be the population in 2009? Okay, 2009 में पूछ रहे हैं. This is the question. So, इतने जो बड़े बड़े नंबर से इनके बजाय ऐसा करते हैं, इसको t equal to 0 ले लेते हैं. Let t equal to 0. So 2004 t will be how much? If 99 is t equal to 0, then 2004 t will be how much? Students, you tell. Then it means you are involved. T will be how much, students? Arpita?
5.
Yes.
Yes, sir. 5.
T equals to 5. And for 2009, T will be equal to 10. T will be equal to 10. So this we have to, we will find out, but let us begin from here. dn upon dt equal to k into n. So given that dn upon dt equal to k into n. Keep remember, n is variable, k is constant. So we have to solve it by variable separation method. Let us separate the variables. If I separate the variables, I'll get dn upon n equal to k dt. K to constant hai. Now attach integral sign and integrate it plus c. Let us do. So this will become dn upon n will become log n. K outside the integral. Integral dt will become how much? Integral dt will become t plus c. Now t equal to 0. Put the first set of information which is given. T equal to 0, n equal to 20,000. So this will become log 20,000 equal to 0 plus c. C equal to log 20,000. Then put the second information, putting t equal to 5, n equal to 25,000. So this will become log 25,000 equal to kt plus c. So k into t equals to 5 plus c was log 20,000. C की value भी put कर दी. So 5k will be log 25,000 minus log 20,000. And you should know that log a minus log b is log a upon b. So this will become log 25,000 divided by log 20,000. Log 5 से अगर मैं कट करूं, 5 5 is 25, 5 4 is 25 upon 4. So k will be equal to 1 upon 5 log 5 upon 4. This is k. Now let me put the value in this equation. Value of k and c. So log n equal to 1 upon 5 log 5 upon 4 into t plus log 20,000. So log n minus log 20,000, putting t equal to 10. है ना? t equal to 10 कितना n है वो मुझे find out करना है. Will be 1 by 5 log 5 by 4 into 10, ये हो जाएगा log n upon 20,000 equal to log 2 log 5 by 4. 2 को पहुंचा दीजिए that side and it will become this will become log n upon 20,000 equal to log 2 will reach here whole square 25 upon 16. Log removed from both the sides and almost you have done. Simplify and check the answer. If I cut it by 4, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. Then again cut it by 4, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20. So n is equal to 25 into 1250. This is going to be 25 to the 50 plus 12, 62. Then 25 and 25 plus 6. Check the answer, students. Is this right? Students, Dev Sharma, listening?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Check कर लीजिए इतने ही. Yes. So please complete all the students. Sagarika, listening?
Yes, sir.
Answer check किया. Is this right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So I hope all the people must be active. Let me take the attendance once more. Meanwhile, Abhishek Meena, say present, sir, if you are listening me. Abhishek Meena, Adil Khan.
Sir. Yes, sir. Present, sir.
Yes. Aditi Tomar.
Present, sir.
Aditya Kumar.
Present, sir.
Aman Singh. Ankit Singh. Arpita. Bharat.
Present, sir.
Dakshita.
Yes, sir.
Present, sir.
Dev. Dev not listening. Divyan Sharma. Harsh.
Present, sir.
Harsh. Harsh Jain.
Present, sir.
Sagarika.
Present, sir.
Present, sir.
Divyan Sharma, are you there? Divyan Sharma perhaps not there. Sagarika.
Yes, sir.
Manu
I'm here,
Pratap,
sir.
Nitin.
Manu, present.
Okay. Nutan.
Present, sir.
Nitin.
Present, sir.
Good. Priyanshu Yadav.
Present, sir.
Okay. Rahul Pal. Rahul Pal, it seems not there. Sehajbeen Chanchal.
Present, sir.
Both are there. Khushi Lodhi, Sneha Sharma. खुशी लोधी का कुछ माइक में समस्या है. She is speaking but I am not able to. Sneha, Khushi Sharma.
Present, sir.
Good. So it means most of the people are there and you hesitate to respond. Hesitate मत कीजिए, हमारी ही क्लास है ना. और hesitate करेंगे तो नहीं बात बनेगी नहीं, है ना. तो do not hesitate. लिखते रहिएगा, मेरी बात सुनिए, लिखते रहिएगा, सॉल्व करते रहिए. और very less questions were there, but I wanted to discuss so that there should not be any doubt. Even single question में कोई doubt नहीं होना चाहिए. Otherwise, we could have concluded giving these sums in homework, but no problem. Let's get ready for our next question, and that question is question number 16th. 15th was a word problem. तो word problem में equation भी हमको ही लिखनी पड़ती है, data भी हमको लिखना पड़ता है कि क्या given है. So that's why थोड़ा सा उसका difficulty level tough मान लेते हैं हम. 15th question के लिए आप विशेष ध्यान दे सकते हैं. 16th question, please see everyone. Bharat, will you read 16th?
Yes, sir.
Bharat, please read.
The general solution of the differential equation y dx minus x dy upon y equal to 0.
Y dx minus x dy
Upon y equal to 0.
I have to solve it. So can you suggest how to solve it? Students, any suggestion?
Sir, splitting by variable.
सेपरेट कर लें.
Separate the variable possible होगा. पहले तो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर दूं. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा तो I'll get y dx equal to x dy. Now you can see separation of variable is very easy here, है ना? So Bharat, you only tell, if I separate the variable, what should I write? Bharat?
सर dx by x कर लेंगे इक्वल टू dy by y कर लेंगे.
Exactly, it is very simple. Dx upon x equal to dy upon y. And then attach integral sign both the sides. Right? It will be log x equal to log y and plus c. Let us do this side, and instead of c, let us do log c plus log c. ठीक है, तो इन दोनों लॉगों को मर्ज कर दीजिए, ये हो जाएंगे log cx and this will be equal to log y. Remove log from both the sides, y equal to cx. Right? This is the answer. Is this optional question? I think this is a multiple choice question. You can check which option is correct. Right? Now there's one more way of doing this question, that also let us see. And before doing this by one more method, let us learn this one thing, that d of y upon x, if I differentiate y upon x, by which rule I will differentiate it, students? By quotient rule of differentiation. So if I differentiate, I'll get x dy minus y dx whole upon x square. Right? This you just note it. One formula. One more formula. D of x upon y, if you want, that will be y dx minus x dy whole upon y square. Okay. One more formula you note, that d of xy, this by product rule, if you differentiate, it will be x dy plus y dx. And similarly, if you find out d of x square plus y square, it will be 2x dx plus 2y dy. 2 if it is not there, 2 if it is an upon, it is like this. So मैं ये क्यों लिख रहा हूं कि if anywhere if you see this kind of a structure, you can try to convert in this way. You know? Now, if I do solve by the second method, मुझे बीच में माइनस नजर आया, तो मैं इनमें से वो जो स्ट्रक्चर है वो बनाने की कोशिश कर सकता हूँ. Just multiply y in denominator in both the sides. This side will be 0 only. This side you can write y dx minus x dy whole upon y square equal to 0. Then this thing will be nothing but d of x upon y equal to 0. Now you integrate both the sides. So if you integrate, see, differentiation of something is 0, it means that thing is constant. Implies x upon y equal to constant, right? And let that constant be c. So x equal to cy or y equal to 1 upon cx. If you want to match exactly, 1 upon c equals c dash ले लीजिए. तो ये जो है आपका आंसर हो गया इस मेथड से भी. तो काफी मतलब स्टेप्स आपके कम हो जाते हैं इफ यू अप्लाई दिस फॉर्मूला. सो आई रिक्वेस्ट यू ऑल कि इन फॉर्मूले को नोट कर लीजिए एंड इसको कंप्लीट कर लीजिए. सो दिस वाज क्वेश्चन नंबर 16th. 17th क्वेश्चन प्लीज सी. somebody please read. Pratham, will you read next 17th question? Pratham, are you listening? Pratham is not listening. Pratham, आगे बढ़ते हैं, किसी से पढ़वाते हैं. अंकित चौहान, will you read? अमन से पढ़वाते हैं. अमन सिंह चंद्रावत, will you read the next question? Aman, are you listening me? 17th. नहीं, अमन एक्टिव नहीं है. अमन, Sehjabin will read. Sehjabin.
Yes, sir. The general solution of the differential equation e to the power x dy
Yeah, my dear students. Question. Can someone read 17th question?
The
Students?
general solution of differential equation of type dx by dy plus p1x equals to q1 is.
Yes. What is the general solution? Which option, students? You can select the correct option.
C option. Option
C.
C.
Yes. 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 And Nutan, can you read the one more question? I think is there. So 17th is quite easy. Please select 18th.
The general solution of differential equation e to power x dy plus bracket में y e to power x plus 2x bracket closed dx equals to 0 is.
Right. Can you suggest which method can be applied to solve it?
By separating variables.
Separation of variables will be possible in this, students? Nutan,
Yes,
will
sir.
it be possible? Yes. I think this was the last question. Is this, Nutan?
Yes, sir.
Right. So students, I hope the last questions, which were multiple choice questions, you must be comfortable in doing them. Please complete them. It is very important. And soon, probably today itself, I will create an assignment in Google Classroom in which asking for your notebook work of NCERT exercises of these last two chapters. So please complete your work and submit as early as possible. This is only just to see. I want to feel happy by seeing that you people are doing the things. Right, students? Please do it and submit it. Take your care. Keep doing. Keep learning. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, yes.
Thank you, sir.